It was a busy day. I got bad news. I got banned from Roblox for spamming in the chat. But but the best thing is I have my alt account here at least. So let's go right to it. Hmm. And then somebody reported me, so and then there you go. But well, in my main account, I got a lot of things there. So, so, so I got banned in my main account as it again. So, I'm gonna focus now on this account. So, Mike, if you're watching this, sorry about that last time I got banned. So, add me in my main account, Derich Blocksmoons, and then I'm gonna go grind, and then I'm so sorry for spamming too much. So, guys, that's the end of the video. So, bye.